Hey guys, Gunther Vinson, Director of Marketing for TowMate, coming at you again. I got my good buddy Chris Anderson, Vice President of TowMate again. How's it going, man?
Hey, it's good. You know, another beautiful day here in Arkansas. The fall colors are popping, birds are chirping. I'm happy to be here. How about you?
Couldn't be happier, man. I mean, you are not kidding, man. Weather is very, very nice right now.
Yeah.
We got a really cool episode today I know about. We're doing something we've never done before. We're actually going to go out on the field.
Right. So a few weeks ago, we showed the TowMate TMBN8S. That is the part number for the TowMate Oversize Load Foldable Banner that has integrated wireless stop-tail turn as well as amber safety strobes, all driven by the lithium power supply. So today we're actually going to show it in use. And what do we got? We got that big boat that's been on company property, not owned by us, but graciously stored by the owner. And we're getting it out of the way so that we can build another new building and expand the operations so we can serve you better. So today they're transporting it, and why don't we see how that's going? You know, and the beauty of it all, it's TowMate made in the US and backed with a lifetime warranty on electronics and LEDs. So if the LEDs ever, you know, get flopped around too much and a diode goes out, we've got you covered on that. If it fails to get a signal, communication is lost, we've got you covered on that. Did you see how the traffic was keeping their distance?
Yeah.
I mean, it seemed to be pretty effective, and everybody knew what was going on.
What is that thing, 10 feet wide, 8 foot wide?
So that one's 8 feet wide, 96 inches.
It's huge. I mean, you can see that thing for 100 yards back at least. I mean, it's very, very visible.
Yeah, and you got your 2-inch or 3-inch brush strokes on the oversized load lettering.
Yep.
It's up to standard. So anyhow, it's just cool that we were able to show that in use with us using it. I think there might be footage of others using it in the field, you know, just out on YouTube, unsolicited. You'll find lots of videos of TowMate stuff that way. But regardless, wanted to share that with you guys, and appreciate you joining us. More cool stuff to look forward to in the future. I know we've got some really neat things that within the next month or two we're going to be showing off that will revolutionize the lighting world. So thanks again.